Tim Calling, coming at you again from Senior Leads Boost with another Tips Tuesday video. Today's tip is to answer the following question. Do you need a custom website? So here goes. Over the years, my company has built custom websites for a lot of client companies that are involved in one way or another in the senior care industry. Until the recent past, they were all custom one-off websites. And they're beautiful, they are effective, and in a few cases, they actually have been part of the success of companies which were eventually acquired for millions of dollars or even hundreds of millions. So, for instance, this company was acquired last year by another outside public company for $180 million. We built this website for them. This company, oops, get rid of the marketing message there. This company was acquired last summer by a national company for an amount that I don't think was disclosed, but it's a big, hefty number as well. And then here's another beautiful website that we've created for clients. Now, the trick is, this one, which is just as pretty, just as compelling, just as professional and persuasive as the first two that I showed you, this is not a custom website. The first two that I showed you, Accredited and Above and Beyond, those we created for clients. I'm not going to tell you exactly how much, but they were thousands of dollars that we charged to, rightfully so, to create those custom websites. And then a lot of money after that each month to host them. This company, however, is smart enough to have taken advantage of a new service that we offer where you can purchase a website for a small monthly charge, and it's based on one of a number of templates that you choose from, and then you can further customize it. So, let me show you what that amounts to. This company is called Private Duty Boost. This is our private duty company, private duty website company, and it all is based on clients choosing a template for their website, and there are, 15 templates here, a lot to choose from. And no matter which one you choose, we'll choose, I don't know, this one, for instance. You can look at each website, and it allows you to examine them. Each website is complete with all the wording, with the layout, with the text, everything ready to go. It's a complete website, even if you did no further customization work to it. And then when you are settled on one of the templates, you basically just click on Use this template, and it takes you to this page where you sign up. The cost for these, you can see right here, is $79 a month. That's it. There's no other cost. This includes the hosting. It includes taking updates to the underlying technologies like WordPress, and backups too, which is important because you can customize these. So, for instance, a few moments ago, I showed you this website. Well, this one has been somewhat customized by the client. So they added their logo, and they added, or actually we did this work for them. We added these review pages for them. They customized the jobs page a little bit to make it uniquely their own, and so forth. But the point is, for a very low monthly cost, instead of $5,000 to $10,000, you have a beautiful, effective website ready to go. So I suggest to you that this is probably going to be a great solution for your small, local, senior care related business. Whether it's a private duty agency, like the ones that are served by Private Duty Boost, or, for example, we also have Assisted Living Boost, which is basically the same idea but for assisted living facilities and residential care facilities. So the bottom line, the point is, rather than spend tens of thousands or thousands or $5,000 or $10,000 on a custom website plus hosting every month, I strongly suggest that this represents an amazing value. One other point about all of this. We offer another service which provides local SEO and marketing automation services, and that's called Senior Leads Boost. And the point is that in this service, we offer 3 different levels of plans. On the so-called Gold Plan, we give you a free website for your assisted living facility or your private duty facility in return for becoming a Gold Plan subscriber to Senior Leads Boost. So that's an even better deal that you should consider. Okay, well, I hope this has been helpful. Obviously, it's a little bit pitchy, but on the other hand, I hope it really helps to illustrate the difference, really, between a spending $5,000 or $10,000 on a bespoke custom website compared to $79 a month for a semi-custom but still very valuable and very effective website, and maybe even spending nothing per month when you choose to go with Senior Leads Boost. Okay, I hope this is helpful, and I look forward to hearing from you to answer your questions about this. Have a great rest of the week. Bye.